Join Tours Tasmania for an epic adventure into the World Heritage Cradle Mountain National Park. We start our day heading to the small town of Sheffield, known for its famous wide variety of murals, before heading further through the epic Tasmanian wilderness and on our way to Cradle Mountain National Park. Our professional and knowledgeable guides will talk you through the two main options for visiting Cradle Mountain National Park. The most popular choice is completing Dove Lake Circuit, a 6-kilometre track classified as easy, usually taking around 2 to 3 hours, traversing through ancient rainforest, alpine heath, glacial lakes, and culminating with the famous view of Cradle Mountain from the boat shed. For the more avid hiker, there's the option to complete Marion's Lookout hike. Before our exit out of the park, we have a chance to spot the famous cradle wombat, wallabies, and other wildlife. Then in the afternoon, on the way home, we stop in at two beautiful food locations, Christmas Hills Raspberry Farm and the Van Diemen's Land Ice Creamery, which all make for an incredible trip to Cradle Mountain with Tours Tasmania.